Right. Okay. Speed revision 4. Write it with me and provide the answer at the same time. Evaluate. Evaluate. 24 divided by 8 plus 6 divided by 3. Second law. Fill the blank. 64 is equal to 4 to the power something. You have to fill this 4 to the power. Right? Right. Third term. Write two equivalent ratios write two equivalent ratios for 2 to 7. Write it fast, huh? Write it fast. Provide the answers fast. Right? Make your speed. Right. If an apple costs 120 rupees, find the cost of 3 apples. Find the cost of 3 apples. Write 81 as power of 3. Express 1 liter and 50 milliliter in milliliters. Right? In milliliters. Simplify. Simplify. 5 upon 18 plus 7 upon 12. Do it fast. Vegan kar.
Is this all questions, sir?
We have another 15 minutes, right? So for now, do this all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do it fast, right? Don't think too much, right? Write it fast, do it fast. If you do not know the answer for a particular question, right? Don't waste time on that. Skip to next one. Move it. In the exam also, you have to do the same thing. The board day clear and
Yes, sir.
Chaviru, did you finish all? Nice. Super. Hirsha has also done, right? Nice. Okay, I will give you an extra 1.5 minutes to others. What? Yeah. Right? All the answers has been given, right? All the answers have been given, right? Do it fast. Nice. Yeah. මං කිව්වේ ඒක ඔයගොල්ලෝ තව මාත් එක්ක තව මාසයක් ඒ කියන්නේ තව දවස් 4ක් විතර ඉන්නකොට right these things will get you right මේවා automatically ඔයාලගේ ඔළුවට එනවා හරිද these things are from your basics හරිද grade 7 and so on and so forth හරි because without the grade 7 things you cannot continue yes Chirat has sent me all the answers in the chat super. Right. Another 1 minute is remaining for others. Hari. Okay. Okay. Now, eyes on the board. Focus on the board. Now I am going to discuss this. Hari. Now I am going to discuss this. Right. Equal mark. Equal mark. Right. Very important. Equal mark. Right. Right. Equal mark is very important. Right. Okay. So when you are doing this one, right? First of all, what you need to do, right? If you are familiar with the thing BODMAS, right? You have to first of all do the brackets, then off, then divisions, and so on and so forth. Normally, now here you have an addition sign. Before doing the addition, you need to finish what? The division things. So when you are reading this one, right? 24 divided by 8. 24 divided by 8. You know the answer. If you can completely remember the multiplication table very well, you can give the answer for this. 24 divided by 8. 24 divided by 8, 3. So here you have positive sign. And 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3. How we are going to divide the 6 by 3? 2. So the first answer is 5. Okay. 24 divided by 8. Then you have to add 6 divided by 3. Right? So you have to perform divisions first. Then you have to do the addition. Divisions first, then addition. And divisions first, then addition. Right. So your answer should be 5. Fill the blank. So 64 equals 4 to the power something. 64 equals 4 to the power something. Laws of indices, right? Indices part lesson indices. Can you remember from grade 7? Right? How you are going to represent any given number, right? By using a base number, right? To the power something. Right? So here what you are going to do is, right? You are going to find how many fours, how many number of fours you need to repeatedly multiply in order to get 64. Right? If you want to get the answer for this one, you are going to find out, how many number of fours should be repeatedly multiplied in order to get 64. How you are going to do that in an easy way? You are going to divide. Yes, Tira?
No, so I was about to say 4 times 4 is 16. Like if you just added another 16, that's a 2. So that means 4 8s. Like if you keep, and if you put another 32, that means another 8 of 4 8. So that means like, yeah. Like,
Right, it's too long, right? So easiest way is right this. So here you have 64, right? Here you have 64. If you want to represent it as a power of 4, if you want to represent this 64 as a power of 4, the easiest way that you are going to do is this. Look at the board, right? Here you have 64, right? The base is 4, base is 4. You are going to find the index. You are going to find the index. So, you are going to divide this 64 by using 4. Divide this 64 by using 4. 64 divided by 4. 16. Right? 16. Again, you are going to divide it by 4. 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4, 4. Right. Nice. Right. Now, here, how many fours are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 fours. Right? So, there are 3 fours. So, you can write 64 can be obtained by multiplying 4 by 4 by 4. Right? 4 by 4 by 4. Right? From here to here. 4 by 4 by 4. 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 4, 64. 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 4, 64. Right? 64 can be obtained by using this. So, 4 into 4 into 4. How many 4s are there?
16.
3. So, you can write this in index form, 4 to the power 3. So, this blank is 3. Right? This blank is 3. So, this is the important thing that you need to remember. When you have to represent any number as a power of a number, this is the way that you are going to use. Correct? Keep that in your mind. Now, third one, write 2 equivalent ratios for this. 2 equivalent ratios. In another word, write 2 equivalent fractions, right? Or whatever the things, right? It is not a fraction, but this is a ratio. Alright? How you are going to take equivalent ratio? Yes. So, here you have 2 to 7, 2 is to 7, right? 2 is to 7. I can write the first equivalent ratio like this. Here. I am going to multiply, right? This 2 by the same number. I am going to multiply this 2 by 2. And again, I am going to multiply this 7 by using the same number, right? This 7 by the same number, right? Ratio 7 multiplied by 2, right? So I will use a different color, right? So this is how we are going to obtain equivalent ratio. 2 multiplied by 2. You can use any number, 3, 4, 5, 6, blah, 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 any number, right? 7 multiplied by 2, right? So what would be the final answer, right? For the first equivalent ratio, 2 times 2, 4, right? Then 4 is to 7 times 2, 14. So this is an equivalent ratio for 2 to 7. And second one, right? Again, you can write 2 to 7, right? You can use any number to multiply. Any number means same number, right? 2, 2, right? Then blah, blah, right? Apple, apple, annasi, annasi, dudan, dudan, likewise, same number, right? So here you have 2. I am going to multiply it by easiest number 10. I will take 10, right? 10 ratio colon, then you have 7. I am going to multiply this 7 by the same number, which is by 10, so that I can obtain equivalent ratios, right? So 2 times 10, 20. May patta see. 7 times 10, 70. Right? So now I have 2 equivalent ratios. 2 equivalent ratios. This is the way. Right? If an apple, right, one apple cost 120 rupees. One apple cost 120 rupees. Find the cost of 3 apples. So here you have 1 apple, multiply it by 3. Right? 1 apple cost 120. So 3 apple cost this. Answer will be 360. And this is the cost of 3 apples. There is 1 apple cost this. If you want to take for 3 apples, multiply both sides by 3. Done. For 3 apples. Write 81 as a power of 3. Now you know how to do that. Then case. Why? This is it. Right? You are going to write 81 as the power of 3. This is it. 8, right? 81 as a power of 3. How we are going to write it? Here you have 81. You are going to divide 81 by 3. Right? Like we did earlier. 3 times how much? 3 times 2, 6. Remainder is 2. 21. 3 times 7. 27. Again we need to divide it by 3. 3 times 9. You know that. 9 again divide by 3. 3 times 3, 9. So you have to count how many 3's are there. So the 81 can be represented as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Right? So how many 3's are there? Right? Multiply it repeatedly. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the base is 3. Power is 4. So 81 can be represented as like this. Right? Power of 3. Right? 3 to the power of 4 equals 81. Right? Okay. So express 1 liter and 50 milliliter in milliliters. In milliliters. So you need to remember that 1 liter contains how many milliliters? 1 liter contains 1000 milliliters. Right? 1 liter contains 1000 milliliters. Right? So if I convert 1 liter plus 50 milliliter, I have to add. So 1 liter contains 1000 milliliters. So the 1000 milliliters plus 50 milliliters. Right? So how we are going to add 1000 plus 50? you might get wrong, because addition might be wrong, right? 1000 plus 50. 1050, right? So 1050 milliliters. So your answer should be 1050 milliliters. Okay, right. Now you have to simplify. Fraction, right? So 18 and 12, two different denominators. When you have two different denominators, what you are going to do at the first place, right? You are going to find what? You are going to find the LCM, least common multiple. So 18 and 12, you are going to find the least common multiple, LCM. So how you are going to find? Here you have to write 18, 12. Then you have to divide by using the prime factors until you get 1, 1 at the end. That is how we are going to obtain LCM. So the least prime factor is 2. 2 times 9, 18. 2 times 6, 12. So again I can use 2 to divide both numbers, because 9 cannot be divided by 2, but 6 can be divided by 2, right? So keep 9 as it is, right? 2 times 9, so sorry, then 6 you need to divide by 2. 2 times 3, 6, right? Now you have 9, 3. You cannot use 2 to divide this one, so that you are going to move to the next prime number, which is 3, right? 3. So 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 1, 3. So again you have 1, 3 here. So you are going to again use 1. Sorry, 3. 1, 1, right? 3 times 1, 3, 1, right? So at the end you have 1, 1. So how you are going to find the LCM of this? LCM can be found by multiplying these numbers together, right? LCM can be found by multiplying these numbers together, right? So 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, right? 3 times 3. So 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 3, 36. 36. So your LCM is 36. What we call our LCM? LCM 36. So it should be your common denominator of these two factors. So you know how to convert 18 into 36, 12 into 36. Very easy. So I will show you. Equal mark 5 upon 18. Today, how you are going to convert 18 into 36? Please let me know. Tiana?
2 times.
Yes, 2 times. So you are going to both multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. And how you are going to convert 7 upon 12? Maybe no?
3.
7 upon 12 into 36. How we are going to convert 12 into 36?
By multiplying by 3.
Yes, both numerator and denominator you should multiply by 3. Alright. So here 5 times 2, 10. 8 times 2, 36. Right? Plus 7 times 3, 21. Right? 12 times 3, 36. Nice. So what would be the final answer? Denominators are same. No need to look at even at the denominators, right? Because they are same. So you have to just add 10 plus 21. 10 plus 21 means 31. So final answer is 31 divided by 36. Right? So Udan, this is your final answer. 31 divided by 36. Right? Okay. It is 840. 850. 49. Okay. So this is the end of the speed revision 4 as well. Right? Hope you can understand these things. Right? And for today, I'm going to wind up the session from here. Right? So if you have any questions, you can ask from me before you are leaving. Right? And so good night all. And let's meet in next week. And stay safe. I will put the homeworks to the group. Right? Goodbye guys. Stay safe.
Sir, I would like